Hey YouTubers, today we're going to try a briefcase of Flawless Soccer by Panini 2016. This is the inaugural edition, so wish us luck. This is a personal break, not for anybody, so the cards are mine. Hopefully we pull something good, and been looking forward to this for a while. I was only able to secure one of these briefcases. Those of you that bought them know how expensive they are, so we'll just slowly find out what we got. The briefcase I plan on using as a lunch pail to come to work in. Still haven't seen that jewel card get pulled yet, so maybe it'll be in here. Who knows? Maybe if we can open the. There we go. Alrighty. Let's grab this first. Okay, and then we'll do the encased cards. Card number 1 is numbered out of 10, and it's Robin. Just that there, so you can't see. Pretty cool. That's gold and numbered out of 10. Bayern Munich. Card number 2 is Xavi Hernandez, FC Barcelona, number 15. It's a cool patch. Card number 3 is Michael Laudrup. Number 19 to 25. Cool. Okay. Card number 4 is from Chile. Numbered 6 of 15. Zamorano, Ivan Zamorano, with the long autograph. Pretty cool. Be situated here. Card number 2, 3, 4, 5 is of can't read the name. Oh, Ivanovic. Okay. Ivanovic. Dual patch auto. Pretty cool. These cards are gorgeous. Serbia. Neat little patch. Card. Oh, that's cool. Tools of the Trade. Castellas from Spain. That's sweet. That's numbered out of 5, and I'm sorry, these names pretty tough to pronounce. Iker Casillas, and it's got a piece of the best patch right there. And the last card of the box part is England Numbered out of 10, Joe Hart. Pretty nasty piece of the patch there, as you can see. Pretty cool. And we will go left to right here on the encapsulated stuff. Okay. Opening. There we go. Okay. And let's see what we got here. I think we're upside down. It is Germany. 2 of 15, Thomas Müller. Cool. Thomas Müller. Right side up. The lip. Sorry, it's my first box of Flawless, can you tell? And 1 of 1. PELE. Gold proof. Cool. That is a really awesome looking card. PELE 1 of 1. I try not to swear on the videos, so we won't do that here, but that is a really, really cool card. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. And the last card. I like to cover them up because, you know what, just build suspense, and you know, you pay a lot for these boxes, so you try and get, you know, the most enjoyment out of it as possible. You guys should see me at the 3-card poker table. I really get my $15 a hand worth. And final card of the briefcase is Uruguay. Number to 10, Diego Godin. PELE wins the day though. 1 of 1. Super neat. Oh, you got the little diamond guarantee. I'm sure you guys that have opened this have seen this. All diamonds are guaranteed by Walmart. Alright, but yeah, wow, PELE. Awesome. Super cool. 1 of 1. I mean, outside of, you know, maybe a Messi 1 of 1 or a Cristiano, that's got to be it. And yeah, that's what Flawless looks like. That was my first ever box of Flawless, so I was really happy that I got the PELE. That's really neat. And then we'll just kind of do a quick recap. Got the Joe Hart patches, pretty neat. This is really cool, the Spain patch, super cool. Ivanovic. After you break it, you can kind of step back and take a look at what you actually got. The Chile guy, Zamorano, with the long autograph. Laudrup, pitch perfect, Michael Laudrup. That one was numbered to 25. You got the Xavi Hernandez. That was numbered to 15, FC Barcelona. A funny little signature there, huh? Looks like a circle through it with a slash through it. And then we've got the Robin. Cool. Thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate it. Keys to my lunch pail. And yeah, check out our other breaks. And pretty much everything's always for sale that we pull. Just shoot me over an email if you're interested in anything. BEEHIVESPORTSCARDS@gmail.com. See ya.